All right, everybody. So let's start our class. So good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ryan, May, and Lucy. All right. So let's start. I will ask you a question. How do
Yes,
you feel today? Okay, let's start with Ryan. Ryan, how do you feel today?
I am happy today.
Okay, you're happy today. How about Lucy? How do you feel today?
Happy today.
I am happy today. All right. And how about May?
I am happy today.
Okay, so you are happy
Happy.
today. All right. So there you go. Everybody is happy. Okay, so this time we are now going to start our class. So this week or maybe next week is the start of our test. Okay, so you will be taking a test, everybody. You will be taking speaking, listening. Okay,
Some circle out. Listen and wrong.
yes. Okay, so this time, let's review or let's practice first this lesson, okay? So we will do listening or listen and draw lines. There is one example. So let's read first the names. Can you look at the names? Okay, let's read the names. You follow teacher. Emma,
Emma.
Peter,
Peter.
William.
William.
Okay, Robert,
Robert.
David,
David.
Mary,
Mary.
Sue.
Sue.
Okay, so let's try to look at the picture and then let's try to look at this one. Look at the boy. The boy is
Is the boy
on
is
the
and the
on
tree.
the tree. Okay, how about this boy? The boy is under the
And the tree.
okay, the boy is under the
The
tree. Okay, the boy is sleeping, right? The boy is sleeping. Okay. Then this one. The boy the boy is climbing up the
lighting the
tree.
tree.
Okay, how about this? What is the girl doing? What is Mary doing? Mary is fishing. Okay, can you say Mary is fishing? And this girl or this woman, the woman with the what is this? With the
Baby. Baby.
baby. Okay, very good, Ryan. The woman with the baby. How about this boy? The boy is
Sweet. Sweet.
swimming. The boy is
Swimming.
swimming. Okay. How about these two girls? What are they doing?
Is in the
They are standing
they are
on
standing
the
the the
on the
river.
river.
On the river.
Okay, so they are standing on the river, the two girls. The two girls.
Yes.
Okay, are on the side of the river.
The river.
Okay, so let's read together. What is the boy doing?
The boy is climbing up the tree.
Okay, we pronounce that everybody climbing. Climbing.
Climbing.
Okay, give me a second. The boy is climbing. Okay, everybody say climbing. Climbing.
Climb.
Okay, so we pronounce that climbing. Okay, I will type on the screen, on the chat box. So climbing. Okay, how about this boy? What is the boy doing? The boy is sleeping. The boy is under the tree. Okay, how about what is Mary doing? Mary is
Fishing.
okay, Mary is fishing. How about this woman? What is the woman doing?
The woman. The baby. Why the baby?
Okay, the woman with the baby. Very good. How about these two girls?
They are standing on the river.
Okay, they're standing on the river, or the two girls are on the side
river.
of the river. Very good. How about this boy? What is the boy doing?
The boy is swimming.
Okay, the boy is swimming. Very good. So this time, everybody, Ryan, Lucy, and May, we are going to name the people. Okay? So what are their names? So we are going to look for Emma, for Peter, for William, for Robert, for David, for Sue. Okay? Okay? So we are going to listen, and I want you to write in your notebook which one is Lucy, which one is which one is Sue, which one is David, Emma, Peter, William, and Robert. Okay? So you already know that these are the people in the picture. All right? Everybody, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let's listen now. I want you to listen carefully. Teacher will play twice. Okay, so teacher will play twice. So you will listen one more time. Okay, let's start.
Test 1. Hello, this is the Cambridge Flyers practice listening test 1. Part 1. Listen and look. There is one example.
What's
Okay, you
Mary
just
doing?
listen. You
She's
just listen.
fishing.
Is she standing next to the river?
No, she's on the bridge.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Can you see William?
Yes, he's climbing the tree.
Oh, yes. He's getting an apple. Which boy is David?
Do you see the boy who is laughing?
Yes, and he is jumping into the river.
That's David.
It looks dangerous. Where's Emma?
Can you see the girls in the river?
I see them.
Emma is the taller one with no hat on.
Look at Robert.
What's he doing?
He was reading a book under the tree, but now he's sleeping.
I see. The book is still in his hands.
And is Sue the baby?
Yes, look, she's with her mother.
I see them.
Now listen to part 1 again.
Can you see William?
Yes, he's climbing the tree.
Oh, yes. He's getting an apple. Which boy is David?
Do you see the boy who is laughing?
Yes, and he is jumping into the river.
That's David.
It looks dangerous. Where's Emma?
Can you see the girls in the river?
I see them.
Emma is the taller one, with no hat on.
Look at Robert.
What's he doing?
He was reading a book under the tree, but now he's sleeping.
I see. The book is still in his hands.
And is Sue the baby?
Yes, look, she's with her mother.
I see them.
That is the end of part 1.
Okay, so did you hear that? Okay, so we are going to listen one more time, okay? So after that, we are going to put a line. Where is Emma? Or where is Peter? Okay, so we are going to put a line just like Mary. This is Mary, the girl who is fishing. Okay, that is Mary. May, please stop playing, May. You listen to teacher. Lucy and Ryan, okay? Listen carefully. I will play one more time and write in your notebook. May, stop playing, okay? Listen. Okay, I'll play one more time.
Test 1. Hello. This is the Cambridge Flyers Practice Listening Test 1. Part 1. Listen and look. There is one example.
What's Mary doing?
She's fishing.
Is she standing next to the river?
No, she's on the bridge.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Can you see William?
Yes, he's climbing the tree.
Oh, yes. He's getting an apple. Which boy?
Okay, let's check. Where is William? Where is William? Okay, who can answer? Ryan, May, Lucy. Where is William? So we have the name William. So where is William in the picture? William is in the tree. Okay, so this is William. William is climbing the tree. Okay, let's listen.
Now you listen and draw lines.
Can you see William?
Yes, he's climbing the tree.
Oh, yes. He's getting an apple.
Okay, so William is climbing the tree. He's getting an apple. All right? So that's how we do it. So that's William. Okay, let's listen one more time.
Which boy is David?
Do you see the boy who is laughing?
Okay, David. Where is David? So
Test 1.
the boy
Hello.
who is laughing. So let's listen to that.
Now you listen and draw lines.
Can you see William?
Yes, he's climbing the tree.
Oh, yes. He's getting an apple. Which boy is David?
Do you see the boy who is laughing?
Yes, and he is jumping into the river.
Okay, where is David? May. Yes, May.
Yes.
Where is David in the picture?
Davis is Davis.
The boy who is laughing and jumping into the river, into the water.
It's on the water.
Okay, so this is...
Davis.
Okay, this one is David. All right. Okay, next, let's listen.
Do you see the boy who is laughing?
Yes, and he is jumping into the river.
That's David.
It looks dangerous. Where's Emma?
Can you see the girls in the river?
Okay, where is Emma? So can you see the girls in the river? So where is Emma there?
See them.
Emma is the taller one with no hat on.
Okay, Emma is the tall one. Yes, Lucy, where is Emma? Emma is one of the girls, right? One of the girls here. So which one is Emma? The small one or the tall one? Yes, Lucy, you're raising your hand. Okay, let's listen one more time, Lucy.
Where's Emma?
Can you see the girls in the river?
I see them.
Emma is the taller one with no hat on.
Okay, Emma is the tall one with no
Look at Robert.
hat
What's
on.
he doing?
He was reading a book.
So where is Emma? Lucy. This is Emma, the tall one or the short one? Emma is the tall one. This is Emma. Okay? So that's Emma. Okay, everybody, let's continue listening.
Emma is the taller one with no hat on.
Look at Robert.
What's he doing?
He was reading a book under the tree, but now he's sleeping.
I see.
Okay, who's the boy sleeping under the tree? What's the name? Ryan. What's the name of the boy under the tree? It's... What's the name? It's Robert. So this is Robert, the boy under the tree, and the boy is reading a book. Okay? All right, so the boy reading a book, that is Robert. Okay, let's listen again. Let's continue.
The book is still in his hands.
And is Sue the baby?
Yes, look, she's with her mother.
I see them.
Now listen to part 1 again.
Okay, what's the name of the girl with the baby?
And is Sue the baby?
Yes, look, she's with her mother.
I see them.
Okay, what's the name of the girl? What's the name of the baby? Yes? May? What's the name of the baby?
Is Mary.
Mary, are you sure? Mary is already there, the one who is fishing.
Sure.
Okay, that is Sue. So the girl or the baby girl is Sue. Okay? So that's the name of the baby. So there you go. All right. So any questions there? Question? Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, everybody. That's our listening practice. Okay. So this time we are going to learn speaking, okay? So we will learn speaking first. We are going to talk about the lesson in speaking. So because we are going to have a speaking test. Okay, so okay, give me a second. I will show our lesson for speaking. Okay. Uh okay, so we are going to practice our speaking topic. Okay, let me share our speaking topic.
Hello, sir. Good morning. Just to verify, are you just
Okay,
basically
so this
using the
one.
number?
Okay, so can you see our speaking topic?
Sir, I'm asking if
So
you
this
basically
is
delivered something
the
over. I'm
speaking
verifying
part
your information.
1 of our lesson. Okay, so speaking part 1,
Okay,
then
sir,
speaking
just give me
part
something to
2.
understand.
Okay, so let us look at this one. So you are going to say your name. So
Yeah.
we are going to practice saying your name like,
Yes.
hello, my name is Lucy. So what's your name? Mhm. So my name is
My name is Lucy.
Hello, sir, good morning. Can you
okay,
kindly
for
verify
example,
your
my
information?
name is Lucy.
My name is Lucy.
Yes. Okay, so you are going to practice that. What's your name? Okay. So
What's your
what's your name? Hello, my name is Ryan. Hello, my name is May.
Yes, yes.
Hello, my name is Lucy. Okay. All right. Then we are going to talk about your favorite fruit. Okay. What is your favorite fruit? So, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is. Okay, so let us have. Oh, so we are going to practice. What is your name? So how do you answer that? Then, what is your favorite fruit? Okay, so look at the questions. What is your favorite fruit? Ah, so what is your favorite fruit?
Kikituo pa sila pahilot.
Then we are going to say,
Abutan dili pa abutan.
what is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? Then we are going to talk about your favorite color. What is your favorite color? Okay, so we will practice that. What is your favorite color? Okay, do you follow? Okay, so I want you to answer that. Hello, Cherry.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so look at your chat box. I write there the questions that we are going to practice. Okay? Bubs, asa siya rin, Bubs? Okay, everybody. So let's practice how to say or how to answer those questions. Okay? Can you see that? Hello? Can you see the questions? Okay, so let me type that.
Is the name of the resident, the apartment? Dami mo ra?
Okay, everybody, can you see the questions in the chat box? Look at the chat box. So the first question is, what is your name? So you are going to answer, teacher, in a complete sentence. Okay? So what is your name?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I have Uber ticket. Yeah.
Okay, what is your name? So you are going to answer, my name is... Hello, teacher. Ivan. My name is... Then the next question is, everybody, what is your favorite fruit?
C3 C4 C3 B4 à. C3 này đam mê không có C4 này. Gì đây không? Tiếng Anh hả? Đây nè, Ly nè. Nói đi
Okay,
nè.
so we are going to practice this one. So we will practice the questions. Okay, let me share my screen, everybody. So this is for the speaking test. So we are going to practice how to answer this. Okay, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is... Okay, that's our question. The next is, what is your favorite animal?
Yes.
What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal. My favorite animal is... Okay, what's your favorite animal? Then your favorite color. My favorite color is... Okay, everybody, let's practice. Okay, let's start with May. Okay,
Yes.
May, what is your favorite color? What is your name?
My name is Mia.
My
Okay.
name is Jerry.
Okay, my name is May. All right. May, how do you answer that? Hello, teacher Ivan. My name is May.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, teacher Ivan.
Ivan.
Ivan. Hello, teacher Ivan. My name is May.
Okay, next May. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite.
My favorite.
My favorite.
My favorite.
My
My
favorite
favorite fruit is...
is
Yeah, what's your favorite fruit? Is it apple, orange,
yes.
watermelon?
My is strawberry.
Okay, so your favorite fruit. Can you say it again? My favorite fruit is... Okay, one more time, May. May, one more time. My favorite fruit is... My favorite fruit is...
My fruit is strawberry.
Again. My favorite. Favorite.
My favorite is
Okay? So we pronounce that favorite.
is strawberry.
Okay, my favorite fruit is...
Strawberry.
My favorite fruit is... My favorite. 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 Favorite.
Favorite.
Again, May. My favorite fruit.
My favorite rose is strawberry.
Okay, sorry for that. My favorite
My
fruit
favorite fruit
is...
strawberry.
Okay, strawberry. Okay, good. Next. what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is rabbit.
Okay, rabbit. Can you say it again? Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Basta tama.
Rabbit.
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 Okay, again. What is your favorite animal?
What my favorite animal is rabbit.
Okay, so rabbit is your favorite animal.
Hello, good morning. I have sandwich menu.
Okay. Next question, May. May, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay,
Black.
my favorite color is
Black.
black. Okay, one more time. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, let's have Lucy. Lucy, let's practice speaking. Okay, Lucy, what is your name? Hello, teacher.
Yeah.
Hello, teacher Ivan.
Teacher, but
My name is.
my name is Lucy.
Okay, very good. Next, what is your favorite fruit, Lucy?
My favorite food is watermelon.
Okay, watermelon. Next, what is your favorite animal?
Sagit ka, diri o dito. Amitong tab, amitong tab.
Okay, what is your favorite animal, Lucy? What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is.
My favorite animal is rabbit.
Okay, sorry, can you say it again, Lucy? I cannot hear it. My favorite.
My favorite is rabbit.
My favorite animal is.
My favorite animal is rabbit.
Is rabbit. Okay. What
Rabbit.
is your favorite color? What is your favorite color, Lucy?
Is my row row my color is pink.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, can you say it again? My
My color is
Naka 50 dito tayo pagtutira.
my
color is pink.
mm-hmm. Again, what is your favorite color?
My color is
My
pink.
favorite color is.
My favorite color is pink.
Is pink.
Is
Pink?
pink.
Ah, that is your favorite color. Okay. All right. Thank you, Lucy. Let's have Ryan. Ryan, what is your name?
Hello, teacher. Even my name is Ryan.
Okay. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is apple.
Okay. Next. What is your favorite animal?
Favorite animal is dog.
Is dog. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is orange.
Sorry, my favorite color is
My favorite color is orange.
orange. Wow, that's good. Let's have Cherry. Cherry, let's start. Are you ready, Cherry? What is
Yeah.
your name?
Yeah.
What is your name? Mhm.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher Ivan.
Hello, teacher. My name is Cherry.
Okay, hello, Cherry. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is
My favorite fruit is
banana.
banana. Next. What is your favorite animal?
My
Favorite.
my favorite
My favorite.
animal.
Favorite.
My favorite
Favorite.
favorite
Favorite. Favorite.
favorite
My favorite.
my favorite animal is cow.
Okay, my favorite animal is cow. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color
Color is
is
yes. What's your favorite color?
is purple.
Okay, so your favorite color is purple. Okay, that's good. All right. So there you go. So now we can also change the name. Like for example, teacher would say, "What is your name?" Then you would say, "Hello, teacher Ivan. My name is." Okay, you are going to say your Ting Viet name. Okay? So what is your Vietnamese name? So you are going to say your Ting Viet name. Vietnamese name. So then you are going to say your English name. So for example, my name is Nguyen Van Hong.
Vampire.
You can call me Ryan. Okay, that's an example. My English name is my Vietnamese name is and my English name is okay. So that's how you say my name my Vietnamese name is and my Ting Viet and my English name is okay. So let's practice how you will say that, Ryan. Hello, what is your name? I cannot hear you, Ryan. Your microphone. Your microphone, Ryan. Click your mic. Your microphone. Your microphone, Ryan. I cannot hear you. Teacher cannot hear you. Yes, Ryan. Okay, let's have May. May?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. What is your hello? What is your name?
Hello, teacher. Even my name is Sunmi. Is my an English name.
Dạ
Ow,
anh về.
ow. My hello, hello, teacher. Even my my is Sunmi. And English name is May.
Okay, May, how do you say that? My Vietnamese name is
My Vietnamese name is Khánh My.
okay, and my English name is
English name is May.
okay, very good. That's how you do it. Okay, one more time, May. Hello, what is your name?
What is hello, teacher Evan? My name Vietnamese. My Vietnamese name is Khánh My, and my English name is May.
Okay, that's how you do it. Very good. Okay, let's have Lucy. Lucy, hello, what is your name?
Hello, teacher Ivan. My name Vietnamese name is Bảo Ngọc, and my
Lucy, good morning.
name
Just to
is
verify,
Lucy.
may I ask what's
Okay, that's good. Very good. Let's have Ryan. Ryan, go.
Hello, teacher. Ivan. My Vietnam name is Gia Hưng.
My Vietnamese. Vietnamese.
My Vietnamese name is Gia Hưng, and
So you're just
my English name is Ryan.
Okay, very good. That's how you do it. Let's have Cherry. Cherry, it's your turn. Hello, what is your name?
Hello, teacher. I want my
My name is my Vietnamese name.
is Cherry.
Again, Cherry. My Vietnamese name is
My Vietnamese is
yeah. What's your Vietnamese name? What's your Ting Viet name? My Vietnamese name is
is and
yeah. Say your Vietnamese name. What is your Vietnamese name? My Vietnamese name is
my Vietnamese is Se.
my Vietnamese name is
Name is Se.
and my English name is
My
English
English name
is
is
Cherry.
Cherry.
Okay, so that's how we do it. Okay, so that's our speaking practice. Okay, this time I'm going to show you a picture and we are going to practice this how to say this one. Okay, so I want you to look at the picture as you can see there. So teacher will ask you some questions. Okay, for example, teacher would say, look at this food shop. The man is looking at the fruit, right? The man is looking at the fruit. The man is looking at the fruit.
The food.
Yes.
The food.
Okay, here's the lemonade. Where is the lemonade? Here's the lemonade. Okay, on the side. Here's the lemonade.
See the lemonade.
Okay, so can you see the lemonade? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Where then? Where's the monkey? So you are going to circle the monkey. Where's the monkey? So this is the monkey.
Monkey.
Okay, next. Teacher would say, where are the oranges? Where are the oranges? So the oranges is here.
Three.
Okay, these are the oranges. These are the oranges. Okay, next. Now, look at these. Which is the shell? Look at this. Which is the shell? So can you see the shell? Okay. So which is the shell? So putting the shell on the door.
Draw.
Yeah, so this okay.
Do. Do. Do.
Okay. Now teacher would say, what's this? What's this one? What's this? This is a
Pineapple.
pineapple. Very good. What color is it? What color?
It's
The color
yellow.
is again
Yellow.
the color.
Yellow.
Okay, you have to answer teacher in a complete sentence. The color is yellow. Again, the color is
Yellow.
again answer in a complete sentence. The color is
Yellow.
the color is
The color is yellow.
okay, so you are going to answer in a complete sentence. The color is yellow. Okay? The color is yellow. Okay, next. Teacher would say, how many pineapples are there? How many pineapples?
And three.
Okay, can you answer
People.
teacher in a complete sentence? How many pineapples? There are three pineapples. There are three pineapples. Okay, next. What's the woman doing? What's the woman doing? Look at the woman. What is the woman doing? The woman is how do you answer that?
Five.
The woman is phoning. The woman is
Phoning.
phoning. Phoning. The woman is phoning. Okay. Now let's look at the flowers. Where are the flowers? This is the flower.
10. Ten.
And
All
flower.
right.
10 flower.
What's the color of the flower?
It's pink.
It's pink.
The color is
Pink.
Pink.
pink. Okay, the color is pink. Then how many flowers can you see? How many flowers?
10 flower.
10 flower.
Okay, how many flowers can you count? How many flowers are there? How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10. How many flowers?
10
There
flower.
are.
Flower.
Again,
10
answer
flower.
teacher in a complete sentence. There are
There are
10
10 flower.
flowers.
Flower.
Okay. So there are 10 flowers. All right. How about the oranges? Can you see the oranges? How many oranges can you see? How many? There are.
They are
There are. How many oranges, Ryan? There are. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12,
12.
13. Okay, there are.
Vanessa, Vanessa, por favor,
are
acerte